Kalagi ba nyachal. Kerwalu ba waben. Dog. Gook. Gook. Cat. Cat. In Shlliuk dialect, we call it meow. 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 Then, otun. Otun. Can you get Madaria uben umadian idoj. Bayan nyarun rosa. So the chanting yada nyakun. Da kwap nogad medwa dia ke kwap kun ya kun. Kalagi ba nyachal. Or ibanya acholi. Kom nigo chukubege nganyin. Gwed gen kepen Kenya ke pekerwalu ba waben. Hi everyone. It's me, Rosa Kachi. I'm here again for us to communicate as you guys know always. So this one is just to compare Shlliuk dialects and acholi dialects or other acholis dialects, which we know that it may be different from mine. The same word, it may be different in yours too. So I don't know how did you guys pronounce it. So today I'm going to share with all of us the chang yakebe nyak kikwap onyak yewa ben. I'm going to share 4 animals in Shlliuk dialects. I'm going to share 4 animals in Shlliuk dialect. So please, if you're interested and you want to hear it, how they've been pronounced, please stay back and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to please like, share the video if you love it, and also invite some people to come so we can make this community amazing and we grow together by supporting one another, and we can reach where we are going. So before taking much of your time, let's dive into the video of today. So we call dog gook. Gook. Dog. Dog in Shlliuk language, we call it gook. Gook. Cat. Cat in Shlliuk dialect, we call it meow. 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 Then otun. Otun. Can you get it? Can you please guess what is that? Tell me in the comment section. Otun, what does that mean? Otun. Then we have ngu. 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 I will translate it in English. I will write it in English so you can read it. But I want you first to write it down in the comment section. And let me see if you guys can really guess it. All right? So yeah, let's get to it. Ngu. Can you guess it? What is that? Hyena. Ngu. Otun. Otun, which is lion. Yeah. Otun, lion. And also we have names are called in that one. People call their children those names depend on how they born the child. Maybe they born the child in a forest where there is ngu, and yeah, they will call it nyangu or something like that. So that is for Shlliuk dialects. What about yours? I'll be so excited to hear yours too. So please tag people who you know who can be able to do the same thing. And let's build our community together. Let's take back what is right to us. That's all for today. It's still your babe, Rosakachi in the building. Thank you for watching and bye for now. Wait, before you click out, have you shared the video? Please? Oh, yes. Share the video. That is how you can be able to support us. You can be able to support this community by sharing the video, giving the like, and leaving your comment or your opinion in the comment section. Please make your comment very brief and without any harsh words in it. We love you all as a family of Kachijan. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for today. God bless you and bye for now.